Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. My name is Kay Young, yeah, as you know, young forever. In today's video, I'll be doing 2 DIY. But before we get into our DIY, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell so each time I upload, you'll be the first to know. And for my core subscriber, thank you for watching. Now, before we get into our video, you know I have to leave you with a little devotion, okay? So, happy moment, praise God. Difficult moment, seek God. Quiet moment, worship God. Painful moment, trust God. Every moment, thank God. With all of that said, let's go DIY. Okay, so we're gonna need 3 of these round woods from the Dollar Tree, and 3 items come from Dollar Tree. Actually 4 items. We're gonna use some letters, poster stickers, peeling sticker from the Dollar Tree. And I was saying we have 3 board we're gonna use. I saw a joy hanger from Big Lots, and I picked up this. It's a jumbo. It's a 120 ounce jumbo floss or flakes, whatever you want to call it. So I saw this at, where did I get it? I got it at Burlington. I saw it and I said, oh my God, my son-in-law would love this. So this is for my son-in-law, actually. My son-in-law would love this. So I take it to him. I say, hey, look what I got you. He said to me, so you're gonna bling bling it? I said, oh Lord. He asked me if I'm gonna bling bling it. I said, okay, no problem, I'll do that. So I'm gonna bling bling. I'm gonna bling bling it. Oh, it's okay. Okay, this is cute. I didn't know this come from down here. I thought it come from the top, huh? Nice. So you put your drink in it and you just pour it from the bottom. This is stinking cute, yo. Okay. All right now. All right now. Here you go. Here you go. Hey. I told you drink it from the top. I told you drink it from the top. So this is where you put the drink in, and then you just close it, and then oh my word, I love this. I love it. I love it. So okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna customize it because I'm gonna put his name up top, and I'm gonna try and see if I could bling out his name and bling the words them out. So of course I'm gonna need some bling bling. I forgot. Okay, so I got me some bling bling. I got me the small one, and these are from Walmart. And of course, you know, Dollar Tree sell the shorter stack to this, but it's much better at Walmart. That's my opinion. Alright, so I'm gonna clean it up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spell his name on top. You know, if you can see. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I had to remove the letters because they were showing the black, and I kind of wrote his name. Not bad. Not perfect, but not bad. And I glitter the rest of the letters. And then I go ahead and put some stones up here as well. So my next part, this just came to mind. You know me. So I'm gonna glitter the rest. Put some glitter, and I got this from Walmart. You know. Okay, my diva lovers. So that's the end of my looking beautiful. I hope my grandson love it, because I surely do. Okay, on to DIY 2. I'm gonna remove these. I'm gonna put it back. I'm using a spatula. I mean, you can use anything to remove it. You don't have to really be a spatula. Knife could do it as well. I'm gonna put those aside because we're gonna need them. Okay, so I'm gonna try and make a J. Okay. So this J is not gonna be proper. It's not gonna be perfect because I am not a drawer. Okay. We're gonna start here. Actually, I have to go and YouTube and type in how to draw a J. Okay, so all my letters are finished. My Y, my O, and my J, and I drew them all by myself. Okay, now is the fun part. So as I said, I believe I want to go with rose gold, but let's do the silver first. Now we're gonna put the rose gold in the middle. Yep. So we're gonna glitter the whole board. No, match pot, and brush. Brush pot and brush. Okay, my sweeties, my project is finished, but it seems like I have to put some more color. I'm gonna do the red and the green for the J and the Y. See, it just look blah. You can hardly see the J. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the rose gold as is, and what I'm gonna do is just color the J and the Y, and I'm using Appleberry glass, so I guess it's gonna give me a sheen. And I'm gonna use the green as well, and I picked these up at Walmart. Ugh. Oh darn it, Kay, your hand is so heavy. This will let it stand out more than the white. Let's see if it will light up. And it did. I said it needs some more decoration. It needs some flowers like at the end, at the oaks. But I guess I'll do that later. I've been working on this for hours now, and this is it. I love it. And as I said, I saw one at Big Lot. I'll show you the inspiration for $18, and this cost me $3. Just $3, because everything else I have on hand. Okay guys, so with all of that, thank you guys for watching, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on, so each time I upload you will be the first to know. Ciao. God bless. See you soon.